morning po kuya. Kami po yung Group 2 ng 11 James and our research title is Solo Journeys, the Lived Experiences of Only Child Senior High School Students on Social Adjustment at Holy Angel School of Law. But before we start po, we would like for your permission pwede po ba gumamit ng voice recording at video po for academic purposes. First question. Tell me about your experience in interacting with your peers and how would you describe your own social skills in these interactions?
Pwedeng malakas na part.
Tell me about your experience in interacting with your peers and how would you describe your own social skills in these interactions?
Pwede naman mix, di ba? Tagalog. Pwede ko lang sila as my siblings naman. Kumbaga parang I act as the older brother pagdating sa mga peers kasi given the fact na ako yung oldest sa amin, I act as a brother para sa kanila. And then sobrang luwag ko lang din naman ang type of in terms of social interaction with them. At saka hindi ko naman sila parang hinahiyan ko go with the flow lang ako kahit na may friends namin. And then hindi ko naman sila pinatolerate sa mga bagay na lang kung hindi naman.
Next question. How do you think growing up as an only child has influenced your social skills, especially when you observe peers who have siblings?
I prefer to work alone rather than being in a group. Kasi mas comfortable yung matapos sa isang bagay kapag alam ko na-overlook ko lahat ng mag-isa na compare sa mga peers na merong alam mo yung mga siblings kasi alam nila kung paano mag-work with partner or with by twos or by threes. Para sa akin, I prefer to work alone.
Next question. How do you approach or start a conversation with your classmates?
Casually going right straight to them. Tapos, open na ng conversation kung anong kapag-isip na ng usapan. Pero most likely, conversation namin goes with mga topics na naman dito sa labas.
And how do you maintain connections with your friends or peers inside the school?
There's always this time during break time na hindi namin pinapalampas yung oras na yun.